What if the biggest winner of the AI explosion isn't ChatGPT, Google, or Microsoft, but the company quietly selling the machines that power them all? For years, NVIDIA had one identity: a graphics card company built for gamers, designed to render fast, beautiful, virtual worlds. But hidden inside that gaming business was something far more powerful. Their chips could process thousands of calculations simultaneously, exactly what artificial intelligence would one day demand. Most companies missed it. NVIDIA didn't. For years, they quietly built a software ecosystem called CUDA, making their hardware irresistible to developers. That decision changed everything. When researchers began training deep learning models, NVIDIA's chips were already there, waiting, ready, perfectly positioned. Then the AI boom arrived. Chatbots, image generators, video tools, co-pilots. Suddenly, every major tech company needed the same thing: more NVIDIA chips, and fast. Microsoft, Google, Meta, Amazon, and hundreds of startups began spending billions to build the infrastructure of the AI era. NVIDIA wasn't just selling products anymore, it was selling access to the future. And in every gold rush in history, the shovel seller almost always wins the most. Their edge wasn't speed alone, it was the full ecosystem: chips, networking, software, and years of developer loyalty that no competitor could simply copy overnight. That advantage made NVIDIA one of the most powerful companies on Earth. Entire industries began building their future on its foundation, but power always attracts pressure. Governments began restricting chip exports, rivals pushed harder, and the biggest tech companies started racing to build their own chips. A bigger question still remains. What happens if AI demand slows down, or if customers decide NVIDIA is simply too expensive? Yet for now, the numbers tell a simple story. In the age of artificial intelligence, computing power is currency, and NVIDIA owns the mint. What makes this story remarkable is timing. NVIDIA prepared for a market that barely existed, until it suddenly became the center of everything. And that is the real business lesson. The greatest companies of tomorrow are almost always built long before the world understands why they matter. NVIDIA didn't create the AI boom. It built the engines behind it. And that may be why, in this revolution, the most important company isn't the loudest one. It's the one powering everyone else.